Students, today I will teach you functions. Python functions I will teach you. Okay, that is the first functions. What is functions? I will teach you. Listen. What is function means? That is a group of related statement. Group of related statements. What is a group of related statement? It is a group of related statement. Okay, on example I will say, listen carefully. What is function means? Generally what is function? For example, function where we will do? That is a mandapam. Mandapam, you will do it or not? Do it. Okay. What under function? Marriage functions or reception, whatever it is. So that function who and all you can attend, that is a peoples. The peoples is a each and every one, it is a statements. For example, I will teach you. There is a each and everything is a one of the statement. So here what is the Python will saying means, that is a group of statement you can execute. For example, one statement, second, third, fourth. One function, how many statement is there? Many statement is there. But I have 4 statement. The 4 statements you can execute. How many times execute? That is a how many times. One mandapam, how many times you can use? Repeatedly. I am using the nearby neighbors you can using, nearby friend using. Okay. There is a so many person you can rent you will take, and again what is the function again will do it. So that like the Python also every functions, how many times will this functions you can work means you can call means if you work. If you call means if you work. If you call means if you work. The specific task, how many times you can use, that much of times you can use. That is the advantage. That is a group of advantage. Okay, that is a better. That is a reuse the coding, reuse the statement, that is called to function. The function is 2 advantages there. One is the code of repetition. What is a repetition? Repetition means what? The repetitionally you can use. That is a code you can reuse. That is a first advantage. That is the first advantage. Next, what is this? Next, what is it means? That is the provide the better molecularly your application. Better molecularly. Better means what? That is again you can use. Again you can use. Okay, that is called to function. That is a main 2 advantage. Okay sir, this is a function. The function is a repeatedly you can using that. That is Python functions. Okay, that is a again you can task, you can repeatedly you can work performing the specific task. That is called to function. Okay, that function, the many type is there. Types of function. The first one, that is what does that means? User defined function. The next one, built-in function. Then third one, it is a lambda function. Then fourth one, it is a recursion function. So now how many functions is having Python? That is a 4 function is having. 4 function is having? First in user defined function, built-in function, lambda functions. Okay, lambda functions, then recursion function. Okay, sir, what is the user defined function, sir? User defined means who is a user? It's for me or we. That is a function. That is a user defined function. User defined means what? That is a VR itself you can use the functions. Okay, that is called to user defined function. Built-in function means what? That is a Python predefinedly. What is this? Predefinedly inbuilt. What is the inbuilt? Predefinedly you can inbuilt. Predefinedly is stored in the Python inside. That is called to what? Built-in function. Lambda function means what? That is a name, unnamed function. Unnamed function. Unnamed function means there is a lambda, one keyword you can using. That is unnamed function. In Python is there. Sir, recursion function means what, sir? Recursion means is nothing, sir. Recursion means that is call itself you can recursion. Call itself what is it? If you call the many times you can function call statement is there. Function call statements. Call statement. So that is called to mention in the recursion function. So these and all it is a types of function in Python. Okay, these and all is a Python function is there. Okay, today I will give the definition and syntax and Python. Okay, definition means already I told that. Okay, told that means what? The function must be defined to create the certain functionality. Define function means that is here the function define creates and use certain functionality. The functionality means many statements is there. That is called to function. That is a block. Block means what? That is a each and every, this 4 statement is a one of the block. The 4 statement is called one of the block. Okay, thank you students. This is a functions. Okay, good students. That is a function. Syntax is there. Syntax. The syntax means what? Means it is a def function name, then parenthesis parameter 1, parameter 2, comma up to n parameter you can use. Then colon. Then what is this? So many statements. After that what? Return. Return statement. It is the expression or none. No need full stop. That is a def means there is a keyword. The function name means what? That is a whatever name. That is a user defined name. Parameter also, what is this? How many parameter you can use? Then semicolon is important. That is a not semicolon. Colon is important. Then inside, what is this? The inside functions you can 3 function is having. Then return statement. The function you can work after what? Return the result. Returning the result. The result is optional. Optional means what? If you return or not. Return is if you give it means you can return. Return is you no need means you don't write in return word. The return also keyword. The return also keyword. Okay, this is a function syntax. Function syntax. So one example programs I will display. Wait, see here example program. TEF hello then colon print hello Python, then close bracket, then return. So this program, if you run that means what answer will coming means that is a hello Python. Hello Python only display. So return value is not possible. That is the argument value also optional. If you want means you can use it. Then colon, it is a must, you can use the colon is not there, the program is error. Next what is this? TEF. TEF means keyword. Return also keyword. Okay, return is no need, that is optional. If you not there means this is a function having one statement. That one statement you can what is it means this answer will come. Okay, for example calling function. For example calling function. Calling function means it is a two method is there. Calling function, if you call that means one functions I will teach you. See here, TEF hello bracket colon print hello Python. Next return. Return. After that print hello, then bracket open and close, then again bracket closed. So now this function how to work means the first what is this, the function you can see that after that function how many statement is having? Two statement. This is called to indentation. This is called to indentation. This is next here what is this? This is a program statement. Program statement 1, program statement 2. This is what is this? Function. This is called to function. The function statement 1, function statement 2. This is indentation. That is idukku enna vidyasamappa? This is what is it? That is indentations. This is called to what? Indentations. So now this statement if you work the whole things, it is a program. Okay, this program if you run that means what answer will coming means, see this is a hello statement will come. Hello Python if you will come. After that return is there? No. Return, what return is there? Nothing is written. Nothing is not there means it is a none. Next what is this? Here will coming a hello means what is, where will going? That is a hello means is calling. Just you can return that means what return value is there, that return value here will come. That is what is this? Here is nothing is not written this function. Only display this. After the return what is null? That is a null means that is a none you can display. This is output. This is output. This is what is this? Output. Hello, then Python, then none. This is this program output. Okay sir. In case calling means what answer will come? In case calling means what answer will come? Just I will say listen carefully. Okay, see here sir. Just I will teach you one more examples. I will teach you. Listen carefully. So that program also I will teach you. Listen. So that program what does it means? TEF function name area, then parameter w comma h. Here nothing parameter. Here nothing parameter. Here what is this? W, then h is there colon. After that return w asterisk h. W asterisk h. After that, print area 3 comma 5, then close. Now what is the value? Def area wh is not having value. This statement, how many function statement is there? Only one. This is a function, this is a program statement 1 and program statement 2. Okay, this program if you run, that means what answer will come? Just you can click that the output of w respond to 15 will come. Okay, how to repeat will come? This is what is this print is there, no? Print, that is a calling statement there. Here what is will come? Just area. Area is not, area is what? Just you can w3 means this, then 5 means this calling. If a calling means what? 3 into 5, that is a written what is this? W asterisk 5, that is value is 15. That is the answer is 15. This is a calling function. This is a calling function. So calling is different types of program is there. That program you can see that after you can, in case computer having means you can type the program and writes. Okay. Thank you student. This is a easy one. Just you learn. Thank you.